I'm happy to inform all of you regarding the awardees. So the Utcharat Singh Award for Art and Literature, we have approved the name of Shri Sembertush A. Sangma, who is from Rongkhon, Tura, Garo Hills. His name has been brought by the advisory committee, which is headed by the Chief Secretary, and we have approved that name. The Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Service, the awardee, as recommended by the committee, is Reverend W.C. Kongwir. The third is Kiang Nangbah Award for Sports and Games. The awardee is Srimati Kmoin Walang, who is our long distance runner. I think all of you are aware of her. So these were the three people who were selected, and this will be officially announced on Meghalaya Day, 21st of January.